Hello everyone, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Let's review a speaker from Macintosh, the ML1 MK2. Externally, the new ML1 evokes memory of when the original ML1 was available, a time when there were less distraction and it was easier to listen to music and become immersed in it. The classic looks of the ML1 rekindles the mood of that era so you can relax and appreciate your favorite song. The ML1 loudspeaker was the first speaker Macintosh ever made and was discontinued in 1977, though Macintosh has continued to offer high-performance speaker ever since. Now with a gestures to their speaker origin, they are bringing back the ML1 loudspeaker MK2. The ML1 uses a custom-built crossover network designed by Macintosh engineer for performance and durability. Offers specified component ensure high power handling, while solid-state self-resetting protection device prevent damage to any of the driver. The crossover design separates the high and low frequency circuit, and each are available both by wiring or BMPing or desired. All the power sent to ML1 from your amplifier is fed through your solid speaker binding post that easily but securely attach the speaker cable to prevent them from coming loose and the possible causing the short circuit. The binding posts are gold-plated to prevent corrosion and ensure the quality signal is sent through your cable speaker. The cabinet is built from oil American walnut solid and veneer with a satin finish. It has a matching magnetically attached removable wood grill with acoustically transparent black necklock with a touch of metal trim, giving the speaker a refined look. Internally, the new ML1 is full modern performance-first speaker technology. A four-way speaker, the ML1 uses 5-spirit speaker driver to produce astonishing sound. Woofer 12 inches, woofer in sealed enclosure with a polypropylene clown and dust cap with synthetic rubber suspension. Lower mid-range 2 pitches, 4 inches lower mid-range driver in sealed subs enclosure also with polypropylene cones and dust cap with synthetic rubber suspension. Upper mid-range 2 inches soft dome upper mid-range. The ML1 MK2 will be available through authorized Macintosh dealer for price of $6,000 per speakers. Recommended power range 75 to 600 watts.